안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Okay, so for our next lesson, uh, we will be covering about family in Korean. Okay, so family in Korean means 가족. Family is 가족. 가족. Okay, so let's take a look at our first word. It's mother, mom, 엄마, 엄마. Yes, 엄마 is mother. Okay? And I'm sure you'll guess what the next one is. Yes, it's father, dad, 아빠. Yes, 아빠. 아빠 is father or dad. Okay, and next one would be son, and it's in Korean is 아들. 아들. 아들 is son. And we have son, so I guess the next one would be daughter. 딸. 딸. 딸 is daughter. Okay, and the next line would be 형 or 오빠, which is an older brother. 형, 오빠. So 형, we call it 형 when a male younger brother calls his older brother 형. When a younger sister calls her older brother, she calls him 오빠. Okay? So when a male younger brother calls an older brother, his older brother, he calls him 형. When a younger sister calls an older brother, 오빠. Okay, so there's a little difference between the male and female. When a male calls, okay, when the female calls, younger sister and younger brother. Okay, same for when a younger brother calls an older sister, call them 누나. See, I have an older sister, my own, so I call her 누나. 누나. And when a younger sister calls an older sister, she calls her 언니. 언니. Okay, so don't get confused. 누나 is when a younger brother calls an older sister. And 언니 is when a younger sister calls her older sister 언니. Okay? All right, let's move on. And from the older brother and the older sister's standpoint, his or her younger brother or younger sister is called 동생. To be more specific, 남동생 or 여동생. 남 is 남자, 남 that when we call man is 남자. So 남동생 means younger brother. And 여동생, 여자, female. 여동생. But in general, we can just call it 동생. So 동생 is someone who's younger than me. Younger brother or younger sister. So 동생. Okay, very good. Moving on. We have 할아버지, which is grandfather, grandpa. 할아버지, 할아버지. Okay. And next one would be 할머니, grandma or grandmother. 할머니. Okay, 할머니, grandma, grandmother. And next we have uncle. Hey uncle. 삼촌. 삼촌. uncle is 삼촌. Okay. And since we have 삼촌, and now we have 이모. Auntie, aunt. Yes. 이모. Okay. So let us look at all the list of the family members. We have 엄마, which is mother. 아빠, which is father. Oh, by the way, we could also call 엄마 as 어머니, 아빠 as 아버지, which is a little bit more formal way of saying, but 엄마, 아빠 is more general. So we'll just go with 엄마 and 아빠 for this time. So 엄마, 아빠, mother and father, and we have 아들, son, 딸, daughter, 형, 오빠 is calling an older brother, but from the standpoint from when a younger brother calls an older brother is 형. When a younger sister calls a older brother, it's 오빠. Okay, don't get mixed up. And same for 누나 and 언니. When a younger brother, like me, who has an elder sister, will call her 누나. When a younger sister have an older sister, she will call her 언니. Okay? And from the 언니 or 누나 or 형 or 오빠's standpoint, they have 동생. Either younger brother or younger sister. 남동생 or 여동생. Just 동생, okay? And the eldest member of the family, 할아버지 and 할머니. Grandfather and grandmother. Okay, and we have 삼촌, uncle, and 이모, aunt. Okay, the list goes on, and we will furthermore look at a few more. Okay, now we have the husband, 남편, 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 husband. So we have husband, so we should be, yes, wife. 아내, 아내, 아내. And we have a baby, 아기, 아기, or some call it 애기, but 아기 is more proper, 아기. Okay, and now we have cousin, 사촌, cousin, 사촌, 사촌. Okay, and next we have nephew or niece, and both we call it 조카, 조카. Nephew or niece, 조카. Twins. We call it 쌍둥이. It's a little bit long. 쌍 means double. 둥이. 쌍둥이. One more time. 쌍둥이. Okay, wonderful. So let us wrap up the second set of the family members. So we have 남편, husband, 아내, wife, 아기, baby, 사촌, cousin, 조카, nephew or niece, 쌍둥이, which is twin. Okay. Hope you have learned some new words. Okay, and we will see you in our next lesson. Thank you. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye.